How to switch between multiple Tumblr blogs. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your account page. Next, tap the downward arrow next to your current blog name at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the blog switcher menu. Here you will see a list of all the Tumblr blogs linked to your account. Simply tap on the blog you want to switch to. Your app will now switch to the selected blog and you can start posting, customizing and managing it right away. If you want to add more blogs, you can easily create and switch between them easily. Now you know how to switch between multiple Tumblr blogs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.